this is my Obsidian, and as you can see, and now I'm going to show you everything which I like customized to my needs, including the extension, the theming, and how I set up different things. So let's start with the theme. The theme, if you want to add themes, you can go to the appearance section, and you can look for the download themes, or you can also browse new themes. Okay, so if you click the manage, you can like see new themes which you can also install, but this one is my favorite, which is called Obsidian, which gives you this like dark bluish color, and also like the links are also beautiful. Like if you see, this is just one of my documents, and you can see the links has a very nice animation, and also the underlying effect, and including each section is differentiated by the line, including this image. This is why I like Obsidian theme the best. And if light theme is also nice, which also like gives you a very good feel with purple, white, and all. So but I always do prefer dark theme or white theme, and so that's dark. So that's my favorite theme. Or if you, there are also like one more theme which I really like, which is Dracula. Dracula, not Dracula, it was Obsidian Node Enhanced. Yeah, this gives you a like Nordic vibe. I like this one too, but mainly I do change between Obsidian and the North theme. So that's it. So as for the extensions, you can see over here, community plugins, I have Excalibur, Kanban, and tasks. So I will show you the Excalibur first, which is very nice. So this is one of my previous Excalibur file. You as you can see, you can add anything. So if I click Control P on my keyboard and say Excalibur, okay, Excalibur, new, okay, create a new tab, new drawing in Excalibur tab. So this is the basic Excalibur format. Now you can like same as the online version, you can do add everything with this thing, and you can is available offline completely, and you can also save this, and also you can export this as an Excalibur file and open it on the web, which is very good, in case if you want to share something with somebody else. So that's that, and that's Excalibur. And another one of my favorite extensions is the Kanban board. This is like the Kanban board for Notion, which is very nice. So this is my Kanban for all my blog ideas. If you go sideways, these are the blogs which I completed. These are the YouTube videos which I should make, and this is the scripting videos which are still in making, and these are all the ideas which I just brainstormed. Very nice way to organize your stuff. And I have a to-do list Kanban view of the projects which I'm working on. These blockchain presentation was done before. Now I have the website which is should be done today. So that's that. And if you can see blog ideas, this is also my personal project Kanban view, where I need to make this project and submit it to the concerned person. So it's like tic-tac-toe game, we just need to make that. So that's the board section. Now if you go to the Excalibur, this was someone which I saved, but I don't need it, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, yeah, delete it. And the next extension, as you can see, is called tasks, which is very nice. And if I will show you my to-do list, which is over inbox to-do list, yeah, over here, which is nice. So these are the my to-do. Now what does task do, if you ask me? Like if you press the like Control P and type tasks and toggle create a task, and you can type it like you can type whatever you want, and it has the, you can set the priority, and it is recurring like every Monday. You can write every Monday. See, it takes us every Monday, it will be recurring, and due date is let's say tomorrow. See, schedule on today. See, it can, you don't need to type the date, you can just type the words for it. It is starting today. It's nice. And if you apply it, it will create a new task. And if you type enter, then it will come automatically, and you can type okay fine, make the Obsidian video, and this due date is today, start date is also today, and it is the highest priority. And see, you can view everything in a very nice format. So that's the third extension which I'm like to introduce to you. So that's the basic of all thing, but how I manage stuff, this is the blocks file where I store my file, and also have a, this is like the home page of my Obsidian where like there are links to everything. So my to-do list, goals, lives, and scratchpad is like something which I just type all the things which I come into my mind. So that's scratchpad. And yeah, so that's my Obsidian file. And yeah, thank you.